What would happen if the sun was replaced by other cosmic objects? This is a question that definitely piques our interest. In this video, we will see how our universe would be affected if we replaced the sun with other objects. What if we replaced the sun with another star, a black hole, or an epochal object? This is a thought-provoking topic that will make you think. In this video, we will see what could happen if this were to happen. Could it lead to existential changes for human life? Can we face the strategic, economic, and environmental implications for humanity from such changes? First, let's look at what would happen if the sun turned into a black hole. If the sun were to suddenly turn into a black hole, the solar system and Earth would be profoundly affected. Here are some of the things that would happen. Changes in gravitational attraction. The dark core has an extreme gravitational field due to its immense mass being compressed into a small sphere. The planets in the solar system, including Earth, will continue to orbit on their own, but there will be a slight change in their orbits due to the sun turning into a black hole. Loss of heat and light. When the sun becomes a black hole, it will no longer produce as much heat and light as before. Instead of the vast surface of the sun, the event horizon would be the only visible component of the dark core. This means that Earth and the rest of the solar system would be plunged into darkness. Severe drop in temperature. Without the sun's heat, the temperature on Earth would steadily decrease. The average surface temperature on our planet would drop rapidly, creating conditions of extreme cold and making it extremely difficult for life, as we know it, to survive. Loss of the solar wind. Changes in the sun's dark core would cause significant disruption to the solar wind, which is the stream of charged particles emanating from the sun. The solar wind plays a role in shielding the Earth from cosmic rays, so its absence would expose us to higher radiation levels. No immediate danger from the black hole. Although the gravitational field would be stronger, the mass of a black hole created by the sun would not actually exceed that of the former sun. Because the sun is not particularly massive compared to other stars, the radius of the resulting black hole would also be comparatively small. As a result, the event horizon of the black hole would be very close to its center. It would not pose an immediate threat to the planets of the solar system, including Earth. It is important to note that the sun does not naturally have enough mass to become a black hole. A star must usually be more massive than the sun to become a black hole. Now let's talk about other planets. First, we will talk about the moon. The moon's shape, apparent gravity, and light make it different from the sun. Then we will come to Venus. Venus is a scorching planet with a very high temperature. Finally, there is our planet Mars, which is known for its reddish clouds. All of these three are parts of our solar system that exist only because of the sun. If they were replaced with the sun, then perhaps the ray of hope that we are reaching in search of life on other planets would also end. This is because there is no solar system without a sun. If a planet larger than the sun were to be placed in the place of the sun, then we would be fried. If a planet smaller than the sun were to take the place of the sun, then we would freeze. So this was our special video which tells what would happen if the sun was replaced with these special things. We hope you like this video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel.